Hello kids! Today, we will learn how to perform the purification ritual called Wudu that is required before praying Salah and reciting the Quran. Let's find out how we do it, step by step. Our first step is to say Bismillah, which means in the name of Allah Almighty. This helps us remember why we're performing Wudu. It's not just about physical cleanliness but also about spiritual purity. Next, we wash our hands up to the wrists 3 times. That's right. 1, 2, 3. Now, we rinse our mouths. We do this 3 times too. It's just a gentle rinse to cleanse our mouths. Then we wash our nose by sniffing water into it and blowing it out. It might feel a little strange at first, but it's a great way to clear and cleanse our noses. We do this 3 times as well. After that, we wash our faces. From the top of the forehead to the bottom of the chin, and from ear to ear. Remember to splash water gently, and do this 3 times too. Moving on, we wash our arms up to the elbows, beginning with the right arm and then repeating with the left arm. Again, we do this 3 times. Then, we make our hands wet and then move them from the top of the forehead to the back of the head, and then from the back of the head to the forehead. This is done only once. This process is the same for all hair types, long or short, or even if you are bald. Using the same wet hands, you will use your index fingers to clean the inside of your ears and your thumb to clean the area behind your ears. This is only done once. Wash your feet 3 times. Begin with your toes on your right foot and wash up to and including your ankle. Make sure water touches every part of the right foot, especially between the toes and the back of the ankle. Do this 3 times, with the right foot first, followed by the left foot. And just like that, we've completed our wudu. Great job, now we're ready for prayer. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe for more Islamic content.